She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is what I like to call a love meal, meaning that when I eat it, it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside and brings back so many great memories. We're going to go ahead and make a tasty smothered chicken. So smothered chicken was one of my favorite meals growing up as a child. I loved when my mother or father would make this for dinner. Always had the house smelling good. Pairs great with anything. These are the ingredients that I'll be using today for my smothered chicken. You may see a few known ingredients and maybe a few you haven't seen before. We're going to go ahead and whip up a tasty smothered chicken. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is the smothered chicken, one of my favorite love meals. Always makes me feel warm and cozy inside. As you can see, we've got a wonderful gravy with the onions and the mushrooms, and we added that chicken to it, so it's got a wonderful chicken flavor as well. You can go ahead and put this with anything you like, rice, buttered noodles, or you can just eat it by itself. Here I just paired it with some green beans and some homemade mashed potatoes and some apple cinnamon muffins. Everything tasted so good, guys. Brought back so many great memories. Hopefully you did enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed it. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what one of your favorite love meals is. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.